Music is about emotion. There's something magical about listening to music on headphones, particularly if they're blocking out the outside world. Music brings people together in a way that no other art form does. My name's Tim Cowie, and I'm a sound designer and music composer. For the Sennheiser track, I combined classical instruments with electronic music production to create a piece of music that transcends genres, creating something that would really show off the richness, clarity, and soundstage of the headphones. For me, richness is about hearing the whole frequency range. I really like to add lots of layers to my music, so the first time someone listens to a track, they hear the main musical drive, but each consecutive listen reveals more and more layers of detail. I love textures, hearing the bow scratching across the strings. The trombone brings a real warmth and richness. I got to experiment with some extended techniques. The trombone blowing air through the instrument without sounding any notes. With the saxophone, you can get these really interesting percussive sounds when you play the keys without sounding a note. Good clarity is about being able to hear all these subtle details. A good soundstage is the difference between hearing a beautiful recording of an orchestra and it actually placing you in the front row of the concert hall. With the intimacy of headphones, you can pinpoint exactly where each instrument is coming from. One thing that's really important to me with electronic music is that it has a humanness to it. So it's really nice to bring these organic electronic sounds together with live instruments where there is that humanness. It's a real luxury to know that the music I've made is going to be appreciated in a really high quality way. It means that all that detail I'm putting in, I know it's going to be heard.